220 Mike Echo, left on Bravo, ground point 8.
Left on Bravo, ground point 0 Mike Echo, point 8, sorry.
Cessna 16 off, returning 5 at Cessna, 4 mile per hour.
16 off, roger.
Wind 2208. Cherokee 377, right down departure approved, runway 26, clear for takeoff. Traffic 1 mile left base, Cessna.
Okay, runway 26, clear for takeoff. Right down departure approved.
26, this one here.
122 he said, no?
No, 26, this is the runway.
The wind.
Ah, the wind?
122 he said.
Yeah.
122 from behind us only. No.
It's a headwind.
No, look, 122.
Cessna 688, traffic here following half mile left base.
Roger, looking for the traffic 168. PM?
Not yet, no. Where is he?
I don't know.
Oh, he landed.
And yeah, I see. Keep some speed.
Cessna 688, you're number 1 for the runway.
Number 1 for runway 19688. Still heavy. The trim is at max, you know?
Okay, it's to be fine.
Cherokee 377, thanks for your help today. Frequency change brief.
Not a problem. Appreciate your help and frequency change approval to you. 7377.
Too hard.
So you post too soon.
Yeah. Okay.
Cessna 688, left on Bravo, ground point 8.
Left on Bravo, ground point 8, 19688.
Cessna 6 tango alpha, runway 26, clear for the option.
26, clear for the option, 916 Tango
Let's
Alpha.
go to the restaurant anyway.
2004.
Way 26, 65411.